Hello friends, welcome back to my channel RishitInspiringKids. Today I'm going to share with you top 20 mind-blowing English IEO Olympiad quiz. Please watch the video till end. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Let's get started. Your first question is neither Ria nor her friends coming today. Is or was B. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is R. Your next question is the baby cried dash it was hungry, but because or so. And the correct answer is because. Your next question is choose the correct synonym of enormous. Tiny, narrow, huge, weak. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is huge. Your next question is choose the correct antonym of polite. Gentle, kind, rude, soft. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is rude. Your next question is identify the pronoun. Quickly, them, bright, running. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is them. And your next question is choose the correct sentence. She has ate the cake. She have eaten the cake. She has eaten the cake. She is eat the cake. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is she has eaten the cake. Your next question is choose the correct preposition. The plane flew dash the clouds. On, above, between, under. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is above. Your next question is choose the correct spelling. Environment, 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 environment. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is environment. Your next question is choose the correct article. He bought dash umbrella. A and the no article. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is and. Your next question is choose the correct form. This is the dash movie I've ever seen. More interesting, very interesting, most interesting, much interesting. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is most interesting. Your next question is fill in the blanks. There isn't dash milk left in the fridge. Many, much, few, several. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is much. Your next question is choose the correct conjunction. He studied hard dash he could pass the exam. So that, although, unless, but. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is so that. Your next question is identify the abstract noun. Honesty, apple, table, river. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is honesty. Your next question is choose the correct modal verb. You dash respect your elders. Might, should, would, could. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is should. Your next question is choose the meaning of once in a blue moon. Every day, always, rarely, never. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is rarely. Your next question is fill in the blanks. There are dash apples in the basket. Much, little, many, any. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is many. Your next question is identify the adjective. She wore a beautiful dress. She beautiful wore dress. And the correct answer is beautiful. Your next question is choose the correct conjunction. She was tired slash she continued working. But, because, so, if. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is but. Your next question is choose the correct meaning of spill the beans. Cook food, make a mess, reveal a secret, plant seeds. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is reveal a secret. Your last question is choose the correct preposition. She's afraid dash dogs. From, of, with, a. And your correct answer is off. Thank you, friends. If you liked my session, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.